Want to turn your passion for drawing into a full-time career? Discover our courses at Brushcamp where you become a master in the realm of digital painting. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities.
We will continue to learn about the clipping mask tool. Clipping mask is mainly image manipulation. When you get the part you want, you will use the clipping mask tool. What exactly is it like? Firstly, for example, we have a picture with two turtle heads. We want to use this turtle's head as an avatar. Then we will create a circle. Insert this photo. We choose two objects. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. Or you can shortcut 𝗍𝗱𝗀𝗶𝗽𝗀𝗃. After selecting Make Clipping Mask, you will have such an object. You only get the image of the turtle's head, and the rest will be hidden. You only get the result of the shape in the circular shape you just created earlier. When you have this picture, you can completely zoom in and zoom out. You can even edit it. When you use the direct selection tool, you can move the positions in it. As I said, it's not deleted, it's just hidden. So you can see this picture is still intact. It just hides. You can completely move its position. Of course, when you edit the image inside, you can still edit the shape. If you want to adjust the circle, then double-click and use the selection tool. You can zoom in, zoom out. It's just a normal adjustment tool. When you're done matching it and don't want to match it anymore, remove that effect. You right-click and select Release Clipping Mask. Or you can press the keyboard shortcut 𝗍𝗱𝗀𝗃+Alt+7. 𝗍𝗱𝗃+Alt+7. Or when you clipping mask, press 𝗍𝗱𝗃+7. I just showed you how to use clipping mask. Let me give you one more example. I have a square below. I painted it red. Down here, it will have a red square. Now we will try clipping mask. We choose two objects. Right-click, select clipping mask. It says can't execute this command. That is, when you want to match an object, your shape must be on that object. Then when you clipping mask, it will work. And when you put it below, it won't work. That's for the photo. And when you have two pictures, one circle and one square, but you put it in reverse. For example, when you put the square above, it will get this position after matching. Click clipping mask, it will get this angle. But when you put this circle wrongly above it, it will get this angle but it's blue. Can you see it? It still applies to geometry but not to images. Whichever is on top, it will match down with the photo. Just now, I introduced you to clipping mask and object. If you want to clipping mask two objects, these two objects, for example, I want to get the heads of these two turtles. One here and one there. You can't think of simply that scanning through two. Right-click and choosing clipping mask. It can only do one of the two. Or now you group these two objects. Then you choose clipping mask. Still doesn't work. It still doesn't give any results. This is the wrong operation. You have to find a way to match these two objects up here. Because if you think in a simple way, you only need to match these two objects twice. You guys will copy this picture into another picture. You press Ctrl+7. Match it once and this side does the same. Then you will get the desired result. But actually, this result makes your files much larger. Because in this match it contains one picture. And so does the other. Here is a photo and that is a photo too. It will make your files twice as large. So this is not effective. So I will show you how to match two objects on this picture. First you need to group it. You will turn on the Pathfinder panel and merge it into a single copy. That's all you see now, but it's all lumped together. Go to Object, select Compound Path. Click Make or its shortcut is 𝗱𝗲𝘀𝗃𝗃𝗃. Click Make, then you can match clipping mask together. That is, two objects match on the same image even though it is not conjoined. If the objects are conjoined, it will match. And now our two pictures are separate and still match. You have to do 3 operations at the same time. Or you can simply skip the first group step. You can directly combine it. Compound path and you can still choose clipping mask. This is me as an example, taking 2 heads. And in case you take 7 heads on the same photo. When using the original method, you use clipping mask for each image. It will be very inefficient and the file will be very large. You shouldn't do that. You should use it this way. Thank you and goodbye everyone.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.